Ganito ba si Boss L? Parang hindi naman eh. Tumatalon guys. Hindi naman ganun si Boss L. Tignan mo yung sabi niya. Tignan mo yung character niya. Mukha si Boss L pero may mga rainbow. Di ba? Di ganun si Boss L. Like nyo nga dyan. Okay. Titingin na nga dito. Huh? Sino nga yun? And sino nagtotok-tok? Ayan nyo yung babae na yan. Kasi di ko alam kung sino gumagamit yung account ni Mami Cow. Girl siya pero hindi ko alam. Pinagandaan ko ang character ni Mami Cow pero bakit naging ganyan? Dapat maganda si Mami Cow kung ginagamit niya ang account. Talaga si Mami Cow kasi si Sander gamit niya ang cellphone na hinahawak niya sa bahay nila. Dapat
Bombshells, Carmen and Hannah are headed for the terrace.
diba? Nagpamatay ako dahil may nag-join sa akin ba? Pag may nag-join sa akin, magpapamatay ako. Ito yung nag-join sa akin. Kulay red na yan. Lonely talaga ako. Lonely. The heck?
And I do want to kind of be like, so what's going on? Like, where's your head at? Because maybe he will be straight up with me, you know, if I talk to him. Yeah, and there's...
Di talaga nakakatawa. Guys, naman ako ng motor ko. Pero kaya mo na. Basic lang naman mag-ano ng motor. Diba? Uy, may bagong ano dito. Decorate. May decorate dito.
It's up to you, whether...
Ay, nako. Ay, nako. No, stop it in my motor. So, itong motor, no? Alam mo naman ibibigay ko sa iyo. Mami, naka-video talaga ako. Nagbe-video ako. Rinig ka talaga. Ako nga nagsasalita eh. Oh, basic sa'yo. Oh, eto yung sa'yo. Ay, no. Try nga natin. Brrrr. Kung itatry ba natin kung ano ang gagawin. Di ko din alam. Kaya magpaano na lang tayo dito. Aw. Decorate talagang sakit ah. Sakit. Umiiyak ako dahil nasaktan ako, bro. Bro, kanina okay lang ako. Kasi ganun na ako ng ganun sa bahay ni Mami Cow ata. Si Mami Cow ba yung gumagamit? Are you okay? Are you okay? Sabihin ko no.
Bombshells, Hannah and Carmen have a secret. In 24 hours,
I'm not okay.
I've got a secret too. I'm actually from New York.
What the heck?
The money's all right.
What the heck? Account ni Mami Cow yung ginagamit niya dahil tignan mo yung account. Kay Mami Cow yung account, mga guys. Di ko din alam. Ha? Kung ano, ginagawa. Di ako nag-uusap sa'yo. Di ako uusap sa'yo. Sinabi mo, I'm okay. Di nga ako okay. Halata naman guys, naggalit ako. Kaya mag-sleep over na tayo, joke lang. Sleep over daw? What the heck? Tignan ko lang kung mag-aaraw pa mga guys. Isip or isip? Isip lang bro. Isip lang. Diba? Isip-isip lang. Para good.
I'm not type, you know, tan skin,
Gamit!
hairs, like features. So,
Diba? Diba, guys?
You know,
Diba, guys? Diba?
the eye contact. But he seems like a sweet. After talking to him, it's like he's putting his shit together. So
Ang sabi naman
I
yan.
know where I stand.
Like
I want
this.
to know you.
it's okay. That's why we're here.
Ang cellphone. Sorry pang natin.
Carmen's got two secrets. She's got to steal a boy in 24 hours, and she's a big fan of comics. She bloody isn't. She walked it as my last stand-up gig after 2 minutes screaming, "He's not funny."
I'm a pig, like right on the inside for sure. Inside and outside. I will get exactly, but people just don't expect it from me, which is why I
For
feel sad.
today's video, nagising na ako nung umaga sa Brookhaven. Hindi lang sa totoong buhay.
I like those things.
Kasi sa totoong buhay, tanghali ako magising. Kaya sa Brookhaven, umaga. Kitang-kita naman,
So
di ba?
right now, I model part-time. It's like one of my jobs.
And, kailangan natin maligo kasi hindi ako naligo kagabi. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
So, like, I'm studying right now. I studied my
Diba,
undergrad
nakasaktan ako?
while I was playing rugby.
I love rugby, by the way. I think it's so
You like
fun.
it? So much fun.
It is.
And then it's like, yes, people are trying to kill each other, and then they hug each other. So it's like this.
It's so fucking funny. Like, I
Magdidingdong ako dahil may surprise ako. Diba?
no big fucking deal.
Yeah, I'm like,
You're the one that gets.
I'm the one that, like, yes, I think I found
Nagulat naman ako sa kanya, pero...
like a little bit of honor. I find that attractive because those are things that I also like. So it's kind of like we both can geek out. It's something cool to have in common. So yeah, it was like a big surprise.
Nurse Jasmine and Detective Anna are giving Bertie some
sabi niya?
relationship coaching. So if all goes well, you'll be able to read some
Ay,
of
hindi
the
ako
lines
marunong
of the
magbasa
thought in a
talaga.
prostate exam.
Sabihin ko na,
We
okay.
are preparing ourselves for how to pull a woman. We are building your woman's skills. Bergie, we all want to find this person. Jasmine and I, we're here for the man. Ask me how my day is.
How was your day there?
I'm already turned on. Tell her she's fucking sexy. Compliment me.
Kailangan natin maligo dahil
Yes.
di pa ako naligo. Asim-asim ko. Ha? Wag muna kayo tumingin, kaya isa-stop ko muna yung video. Okay, pwede na kayo tumingin mga guys. Kasi kakatapos ko lang balik ko sa Brookhaven. Halata ba? Diba wala akong mukha? Nag-ayos ako ng buong katawan ko nun. Kala mo yun? Kala hindi. Kala niya lang yun, pero totoo. Tignan mo yung avatar niya kay Mami Cow. Uy, si Mami Cow na. No.
Which is so bad because you understand.
No. Oh my gosh, her and I are like not phased by that.
Uy. Awa.
I was pretty much raised by my grandparents in a way.
Oh my God. Marunong na pala ako umakyat. Ha?
Grandparents knew each other for
Marunong na ako mag-parkour, no?
That's the goal. You know what I mean?
Ow.
all the way to the end.
Ay, that's okay.
My parents are so in love with each other. Like, they found their person, and like they've been doing it for 20 plus years, and they're like so good
Di okay, kaya
with each other.
di ako nagpapakita dun sa ay, ayun.
Marriage is a huge thing for me. Like, I only want to be
Napilay
married.
ako dun, ah.
Of course.
No, 100%.
Yeah. So I have some questions too.
Magapang na lang ako palagi.
From the lab.
I want like a serious boyfriend. I'm an extroverted introvert. Like I absolutely love like staying home and like watching movies. And, like, I also love traveling and I love clubbing. So it's like finding someone that does that with me, and then also like
Ano ba yung
sharing
jump
interests, but,
nung
like, it's important to like
lonely,
separate
lonely?
ourselves from each other.
I'm
Like,
Mr.
I'm very
Lonely.
picky and like I want someone that like can fit into my lifestyle and like I can fit into theirs, you know? Yeah.
But I've been looking for my partner my whole life, so.
I love that. I love that you're so committed to like looking for it.
Yeah.
I'm actually
Ah,
very surprised when I have
ah, ha, ha,
the sweetest, most genuine boy I've ever met in my life. He's a breath of fresh air for sure. I feel like there's maybe more to him than meets the eye.
It's going to bed montage time. Sadly, the slow-mo machine's broken, so guys, you'll have to help us out. Bertie, give me slow-mo toothbrushing. Lovely. And Victor, I want to see you take that t-shirt off. Nice and slow.
Diba? Ganito yung lakad ko dala. Parang maganda. Ooh. Ngayon, may ka-join tayo dito. Isa and isa pa. Si Mami Cow nawawala. Ba't ganun, ha? Andito siya pero nawawala. Paano yun, ha? Andito si Mami Cow pero nawawala. Ano yun, ha? Ano yun?
You'll have to help us out. Bertie, give me slow-mo toothbrushing. Lovely. And Victor, I want to see you
Nawawala.
take that
Ha?
t-shirt off.
Ha? Ha?
Nice
Tama pa yung
and
nakita ko?
slow.
May ibang bahay si Mami Cow? Okay. Pwede naman yung...
It's over on this bed.
Dude, I just realized I don't have to pee. I have to fart, so I'm trying to like fart a little.
What the heck? Yung ginaw pusa, oh. So, bigyan kita money. Wag kasi ikaw umarang. Ikaw yung nabibigyan ko ng money. No! Sa'yo na yan. Hindi, sa'yo na yan. Hindi, sa'yo na yan. Sa'yo na yan. You! Diba? Teka lang.
I love you, Fort.
Welcome back to Love Island USA. It's morning in the villa. Guys, I'm testing out one of our brand new state-of-the-art mini drone cameras. I'm going in for a close-up on Marco!
There's a bug in the bed, bro.
I need a coffee immediately. Good morning. Good morning. You gotta give me fingers. It's our first night not sleeping with Birdie. I miss him.
Bergie! How are you feeling over there, baby?
I'm feeling pretty dang good.
Feeling pretty damn good?
I woke up in the villa this morning.
I know! Let's go have a day!
Good morning.
Another day in paradise.
Yung sino sanay
Another
maligo.
day in paradise. Smile, Marco. Oh, you have nice teeth. You do have a nice smile.
Thank you.
Leo's shameless. He's coupled up with Cassie, had a hot date with Carmen, and flirted with Anna. It's an absolute disgrace. What do you have to say for yourself?
What the heck?
I feel pretty damn good.
Did you sleep well?
I slept really good, and then just had to talk with Cassie.
Peace and